Trust me, you'll want to make this one again and again. It's that tasty, and it's ready in about 20 minutes. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious family-friendly recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make this creamy garlic parmesan chicken. It's creamy, comforting and packed full of flavour, and I'll share a couple of little tips with you to show you how to make it lovely and rich without it feeling too heavy. It is a great, simple and quick weeknight meal, but it's also impressive enough for a date night dinner. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by cooking the pasta. Now I've got a large pan of salted water coming to the boil, and to that I'm going to add 300 grams, which is about 10.5 ounces of linguine. You can use whatever pasta you like, but personally I think long pasta works best with this dish. Now the rest of this dish comes together while that pasta's cooking. I've got 3 chicken breasts chopped into bite-sized pieces here in my bowl. And to that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cornflour or cornstarch in the US, plus half a teaspoon each of salt, black pepper and garlic powder. And then we want to toss it all together to thoroughly coat the chicken in the cornflour mixture. Add 3 tablespoons of oil to a large frying pan and heat over a medium heat. Once that oil's hot, we're going to add the chicken and fry for 6 to 7 minutes, turning occasionally until the chicken is golden and cooked through. Remove the chicken from the pan using a slotted spoon and place in a warm bowl. To the oil that's left in the pan, we want to add a finely diced small onion. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring often until the onion just starts to soften. Now add 3 minced cloves of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Stir together and cook for a further minute. Next in goes 180 ml or 3/4 cup of strong chicken stock and 180 ml or 3/4 cup of double or heavy cream. Stir it together and bring to the boil, then simmer gently for 3 minutes. Once that sauce has thickened slightly, we want to stir in a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. By now your pasta should be ready, so we want to drain the pasta, reserving about a cup of that starchy pasta cooking water. Add the pasta to the pan with the creamy sauce and sprinkle over 50 grams or half a cup of finely grated parmesan. Use a set of tongs to lift and drop the pasta in the sauce until that pasta is fully coated in the sauce. Just look at that creamy, delicious sauce and how it clings to the linguine. Add a few splashes of the reserved pasta water if you want to loosen up the sauce at all. Add the cooked chicken back to the pan and stir through. Heat for a further minute to ensure the chicken's hot and then turn off the heat. And now we're ready to serve. Divide the pasta between bowls, and I like to top with a little bit of chopped parsley, a sprinkling of black pepper and grated parmesan, and serve it with some nice garlic bread too. And if you like this, I've queued up a playlist of my favourite pasta dishes over here. See you over there.